Guys, it's Tuesday. Didn't record yesterday because I just didn't. I don't know why I didn't. So, there's Dave. He's in the van with the empty van because we took a lot of stuff up the auction. Is it morning? Yeah, it's still morning. So we're now just sorting out this bit of wood and that and tie them up. Them tables there are going to go up in there, and then we'll see how full we can get this van, eh, Dave? It's much chillier today, so shouldn't be such sweaty betties. I'm actually cold, but Dave likes this weather, so it's not too bad for him. But me, I don't like it. So yeah, so we're going to see how we get on. We'll see you soon. Here we are, van loaded for Wednesday car boot. Not as much as we usually have, because it's taking a bit slow because we've got to go through everything as a fine tooth comb, as Dave. To the point we haven't even need to take extra tables this time. So I'm going to take you in, show you the lock-up. So as you can see, a lot of it's been cleared. This was right up to the top, that's all gone. All down there is all cleared. We have all this, quite a lot of this is cleared now. Dave's been emptying this table out here. Anything he wanted to keep, he's got here. So that's stuff for eBay when we finally give up the unit. As you can see, there's lots of gaps now. Lots and lots of big space. This, I think, here, this section here is what we're going to try and do on Thursday evening. We're going to get our son to come and help us with that. Because originally we was going to do something else with him. But if we've already got him for Thursday, we're going to get him to come down here and help us with this lot. So that will be what we'll sort out next. So we've got the alleyway down this bit. There's a bit of a gap in here now as well, because I've been emptying some stuff out there. It looks really small on this camera, but when you're here in real life, it's actually quite large. So we're really pleased with ourselves. We've got quite a lot of gaps now. Like I said, this stuff we're going to try and sort that out to put on the van for Sunday. We're going to try and do just a massive big Sunday car boot one. I think we've probably got enough for like 2, maybe 3 maximum now. We have got a lot of rubbish, as you can see, there's rubbish up there. We've got to take that out to skip. But we're really pleased, aren't we, Dave? This day, bless his heart, having a drink. We're getting there, aren't we, honey? Yeah, we knew it was going to take time, yeah. This is the problem we're having. We have to sort it out. We've got to see what's crap, what's car boot, and what's eBay and stuff. So it's taking us extra longer. Plus, we like to price everything up as well, so that we don't get people nagging at us. That takes long as well. But yeah, that's it. I want to say goodbye, Dave. Hi guys, it's Sunday. I haven't done much on my weekly vlog this week. That's because I've basically done a lot of uploading on YouTube. So I've done a freebie haul, I've done my Insiders campaign review, I've done Festival 2 twice because I went to Festival 2 Friday, and then I went again yesterday, or last night, whatever it is, Saturday. This morning we was meant to be doing a car boot sale, and we was up early. I only had like literally maybe 4 hours sleep, because we didn't get back till like really late last night. I think the time I got into bed it was about 1. So basically, got up like we usually do for our Sunday car boot sale. Got ready, sorted the dogs out, etc. Went to the van. I came a bit later, and Dave was like, "Oh, we've got a bit of a flat tyre on the front." I said, "Oh no, you know, basically, but we've got a machine in there, that'll be fine." So he said, "Oh, we'll move it to where our car is because our van is parked elsewhere." Both got in the van and went to turn the engine on, and it just went boop, 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 boop. And we thought, uh-oh. And she's been good as gold. She has been starting dead on the doorknob, everything else, but this morning she will not start. And literally at 5:30 in the morning, You don't want to be banging around because people will not be very happy with us. So we kept looking at her, making sure certain bits were fine. Her battery's fine because the ramp that we have at the back was able to go up and down, so we know it was enough battery. Lights went on. It's something to do with, I don't know, Dave's told me, but I forgot what it is. It's something to do with the engine anyway. We was going to go out and try and have a look at it later. It's now like gone, I think it's coming up to 5 now. It's just so hot, and we had a rough night as well, so basically I went back to bed when we got back in, and I slept, and I never ever go back to bed and sleep. I usually just stay up and then eyes on cat early in the evening, but no, I had to sleep and Dave's had to sleep. So, and it's so friggin' hot, it's just so horrible. So basically, didn't do our car boot sale, and we didn't do one Wednesday because we both fell ill. So this week we have not done a car boot sale. I mean, we had a good result actually. We put a load of stuff in an auction we haven't tried before, which was a Fakenham auction, if anyone knows where that is. And we put our stuff in there, and we got a bigger check than we thought we was going to get, so that was exciting. But we really need this van to work, because like I've told you guys, we're basically trying to get this unit empty, and if the van don't work, it's going to be a nightmare. I mean, we'll see. We'll try and do something tomorrow when we've got our heads round, and etc. So it's just been a relaxing day today. I might try and do a bit of eBaying, because I've had my sleep. I feel a bit still though. But I might just get up and, because I really want to try and sort my spare bedroom out. You can't get in there for love of money. I actually cleared a lot of it, and it's getting a bit more organised. So I'm thinking I might just do that for a little while. I've got a few receipts to upload. Sorry, I'm just looking at my leg and I just realised I've got a cut on there. And I don't know where the hell the cut's come from. So I've got a few receipts to upload on my apps that I have. So I'm going to do them now, and then I basically might just do a bit of eBaying. It's just too hot, and I'm not hungry. Like, the boys have brought me a few bits and pieces up and that, but I just, when it's like this, I really don't eat much. I just basically drink and drink and drink, and I've got water next to me, I've got juice next to me, and it's just, oh, it's so hot. I love the hot, not get me wrong, but this is like humid hot. You can't breathe in it kind of thing. So yeah, so this week isn't really much of a vlogging week, but like I said, I've uploaded loads of videos this week. If you follow me on Instagram, you would see that I put up 3, I think, and said I've uploaded 3, and I've just uploaded another one today, or Festival 2, and then I'm going to upload this one. So I'm going to do that now. So if you like this video, give us a thumbs up, and if you have not yet, please subscribe. Thank you for all the lovely comments that you guys keep giving me. It does mean a lot to me. So yeah, I'm going to go now and get on. So see you later, guys. Guys? See, heat, tongue, don't work. See you later, guys. Bye.